Hello, this video is to show you how to sign up for MobyMax and how to take your placement test when you first start. Unfortunately, this video is necessary for all students, including those from last year, because Edmodo and MobyMax are no longer working the same way together that they did in the past. MobyMax is no longer an app on Edmodo. We actually have to go to a separate website to use it, but we can use our Edmodo login information. So let me show you how we do that. First, you want to type in mobymax.com and you'll come to a page that should look like this. I want you to go and click on the sign in button on the upper right and make sure that as a student is selected at the top. So you're going to sign in as a student. Now what you're going to do is click on sign in with Edmodo. When you click on that, you should come to a page that looks like this, where it says log in with Edmodo. If it does not say that, if it takes you directly into MobyMax and you're on a public computer, it means the person before you did not log out of their Edmodo, and so the computer just took that person's login information and used it as yours. So if that's the case, if it's not your account, if it logs you right into somebody else's, you're going to want to go to Edmodo, click on that, you're going to want to sign that person out, and then you're going to want to come back and try again. Hopefully, if people are signing out of programs like they're supposed to, you'll come to this page instead. So you would use your Edmodo username and password, and the first time you click on this, it shouldn't happen thereafter, but the first time you click on it, a little white window will come up and it will ask you if you would allow MobyMax to basically take all of your data from Edmodo and put it onto its website. And you're going to say approve, and then it will take you to this screen here. All right, so you can see that you can earn badges, you can do a certain number of minutes a day and earn some game time through this MobyMax platform. We're really mostly concerned about you going to the library. So click on your books and you'll notice that there are all these different modules on Edmodo, or on MobyMax, excuse me. There are math ones, science ones, social studies ones. You can use any of these modules you want if you want a way to get ahead in another class. However, the only ones that will actually count towards your time in English class are the language ones and the reading ones, but right now we're just going to focus on language. If most times we'll just use the language feature because this will be your grammar program. All right, you're going to click on language, and the first time you sign
Today
in,
we will start with your placement test. This is important. You'll want to focus and try your hardest so that you can start at the right level.
Okay, I forgot it was going to talk to me. So when you first sign in, you should come up with a blue box like this. The blue box is going to give you a placement test. And what I want you to do is try your best to answer all of the questions you get. It should start you off as young as kindergarten and then take you up as high as 8th grade. If you don't know some of the stuff, that's okay. All it's testing you right now on is where should it start you in the grammar process. So it's going to look for any holes in your knowledge. It's not a punishment, it's not a penalty. It's just looking for, hey, what are some things you don't know in grammar? And let me help you learn those so that you can be better prepared when you leave high school. So you would click to continue.
Which word is a question word?
And notice it reads it to you if you want it to. If you have headphones, you can listen to that in the lab. Otherwise, you can just turn off the sound and not listen to it. And so you could click on each of these to help you. And it seems pretty easy, but anyway, you would just click on what you think is the right answer and continue to go to the next one. All right, so that's how you take the language test. For some of you, it will take a long time to take this because maybe you know a lot of grammar. For others of you, it probably won't take as long, and that's okay. It could just mean that they found a level where you're uncomfortable, so they're going to stop and start giving you lessons from that level. Okay, so that is how you take the MobyMax placement test. Enjoy!